Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be doing a quick unboxing of the BlackWeb Slim Portable Battery Charger. I got this at Walmart for about 14 bucks. This one here is 5,200 milliamp capacity, and it can charge your phone up to 2 times. Alright, so on the back here it said that it worked with all USB charge devices. This includes the iPhone, iPad, Samsung, and other mobile devices. It has a LED charge indicator to show you how much juice is left on the power bank. It has a compact and travel-friendly design, and it comes with a micro USB charging cable. Alright, so the packaging is pretty simple. You get the name here on this side too as well. Alright, let's go and open this up. Alright, so as you can see, the packaging is pretty simple. You have the power bank, the charging cable, and the manual. That's pretty much it. So we have here their micro USB charging cable, and then we have their power bank. So the power bank is pretty slim. It's probably about the size of a cell phone, if not even smaller. It comes with one USB charging port to charge your phone with it, and one micro USB charging port to charge the device. And you have the power indicator right here. It's at 50% right now. The power bank has a rubber coating that gives it a nice clean look, and it's soft and smooth to the touch. Alright, so let's take a look at that product guide. So it has a basic specification detail. It has a charging instruction, so 4 lights can be 100%, 3 lights can be 75%, 2 lights can be 50%, and 1 light can be 25%. Back here, it shows you how to charge your phone and tablet. So pretty basic and simple. Alright, so let's go and test out this power bank. I went ahead and charged it to 100%. And I'm going to use it to charge my Note 5. My Note 5 is about 3,200 milliamps, so I'm expecting to get at least 1 full charge and a half. Alright, so it's charging now. We'll come back and take a look at it once it's done. Alright, so my phone's completely charged now. And to my surprise, the power bank is completely drained. It wasn't what I expected. I think for about 14 bucks, you can probably get something better. So yeah, if you like this video, please do me a big favor, click the like and subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.